Okay, students. In the another condition, you can see over here, the north-south line is not exactly vertical, it is tilted. Now, in such cases, what we can do to find out latitude of a place, we'll see. Other times during the year, the north-south line or the north pole is tilted towards or away from the sun. Now, here in this case, say a person is in the northern hemisphere, right? How we can find out latitude of a place, we'll see. You can see the north south line, it is tilted. Even the equator line, it is not exactly horizontal, right? Yes. The same thing again, theta is nothing but the latitude of a place. What we are looking for is the angle of elevation of the sun. Now children, you know how to find out the angle of elevation. In the previous slide also we have seen, you need to just simply stand, and at what angle the sun is from the line of observation of the sun, from that line to the earth, whatever angle is formed, that will be the angle of elevation of the sun. And d is nothing but the sun's declination, that also we saw in the previous slide. I did not tell you about the formula, but it has got a formula, we'll see in this slide. Say I'll draw a line AB, okay, and you can see a angle ABC formed over there, BXD, right? The same what we had seen in the previous slide somewhat. Okay, another equator line, I'll write Y over there so that CAY, an angle is formed. Okay, now, and the same thing what we had seen in the previous slide, a person standing and how we can find out the angle of elevation. Now in this case, if you look at angle BXD is equal to angle BAC, right? But I cannot simply write BAC over there. I cannot substitute angle BAC over there. To find out BAC, I need to subtract angle CAY from angle BAY, right? Yes. So what I'll do, I'll subtract that and I'll write theta minus D. Can you see in the picture? It is written, right? So from the diagram, it is very clear that if you want to find out the latitude of a place, you need to write theta is equal to 90 minus angle of elevation plus sun's declination, right? To find out sun's declination, we have a formula, children. It is nothing but 23 and 23.45 into sine of 360 upon 365 into bracket 284 plus n bracket complete degrees. This will come in degrees. Now students, you need to remember that we are not going to go in deep about the derivation of this formula, because you will be studying about this in your higher classes, that is when you go for college and all. Now only you need to remember that there is a formula which can give you the declination of the sun. Now here, how to find out, say for example, take any date, say 25th of September or 12th of October, any day in that case. Say I'll take 5th of October, right? From January 1st till 5th of October, I'm going to count all the days and I'm going to simply substitute those days in place of n, and I'll get the sun's declination. So if you find sun's declination, simply write over there in the formula and you'll get the latitude of a place. One more thing, children, to find out sun's elevation or the angle of elevation of the sun, there are a device which are available in the market, like it is called as sextant, which is available. With this device you can find out the angle of elevation. Remember students, based on this there will be no numerical question asked like how to find out values are given and all. This is to make you understand the concept. Only regarding concept questions might be asked. There is no numerical question which is going to be asked.